A row has erupted over an alleged threat from BJP Bengal chief Dilip Ghosh at a public meeting yesterday. Speaking at a meet in Bengal's Haldia, Ghosh warned the Trinamool Congress cadres to mend their ways in the next 6 months or they will have their legs and ribs broken. He added that if TMC cadres continued with their mischief, they will have to go to a crematorium. Now, these comments ahead of the assembly polls in the state, which is likely to be held in April or May next year. Congress leader Jatin Prasada has slammed Dilip Ghosh, saying that it was the language of a common thug. He tweeted saying that the BJP has reduced politics to the level of street fight. Last week, Home Minister Amit Shah visited Bengal to sound the poll bugle.
দিদি যে ভাইরা উৎপাত করেন এখনো অভ্যাস ঠিক করেননি মারপিট করছেন তাদের বলে দিচ্ছি 6 মাসে সুধরে যান নালে হয় হাত পা ভাঙবে পাঁজর ভাঙবে মাথা ফাটবে হসপিটাল হয়ে বাড়ি যেতে হবে বাড়াবাড়ি করলে সোজা শ্মশানে যেতে হবে।
We're cutting across to Manogya joining us live for more details. Manogya, here's a very harsh speech and a statement that BJP chief in West Bengal has put out, and that too at a public event, saying that legs and ribs will be broken of those mischievous TMC leaders. Take us through what's been the repercussion, how has that been received?
Well, it's not for the first time that a BJP leader has made such a comment, especially Dilip Ghosh, BJP MP, as well as the state president of BJP. He has made such remarks earlier also, not just about spreading violence or being violent, or even, for that matter, giving it back violently back to the TMC leaders or the workers on ground. These are a trait that have been there with the political scenario of Bengal from past several years. Violence has been a part of it, but as far as the present scenario is concerned, well, TMC too has taken note of it as far as the political reaction is concerned, yet to react on camera. But this kind of politics as well as such kind of allegations have been a part of the system. Party too has taken note of it, both BJP and of course Congress, the way they have responded to it, stating that this was absolutely uncalled for and unheard of as far as such kind of statements are concerned. But for Bengal, as the mercury is rising and heading towards April 2021, it would be interesting to watch on how such kind of statements keep on coming from political leaders in their political rallies, where even every social distancing norm of the pandemic goes for a toss.
Right. Thank you very much, Manogya, for joining us with those details on that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.